There are a ton of wheel cleaners out there, but not all wheel cleaners are the same. There's big differences in wheel cleaners. You have acidic wheel cleaners, high alkaline wheel cleaners. Just because a wheel cleaner says it's non-acid does not mean it's safe. You can damage a wheel with a high alkaline cleaner just as easy as you can with an acid cleaner. And that is why Magnum was made. We wanted a wheel cleaner that the consumer, the professional, wouldn't have to worry about, is this wheel cleaner going to damage the wheels? How many times have you used a wheel cleaner that you bought at the auto parts store, you put it on your vehicle? We've seen it have customers bring their vehicles in themselves that have gone to use some wheel cleaner off the shelf and damage their wheels. Magnum's a different animal. It's not even an animal, but it's a nice liquid. Breaks down the grime, concentrated 3-to-1, can be used on the wheels, your tires, can be used on chrome wheels, can be used on powder coated wheels, can be used on painted wheels, and it can sit on there. A lot of these cleaners, you have 30 seconds, and if you don't use it, you can damage the wheel. You could let this sit on 3-4 minutes, and you're not going to damage the wheel. Aggressive cleaning without the harsh chemicals that can cause the damage on a lot of these surfaces. Engines as well. Also show we did a truck bed. So very versatile cleaner. There are detailers that use our product that detail aircraft. Very great for getting the belly clean as well as the gear wells. So coming up, we will show the cleaning power of Magnum on some wheels and tires and a truck bed as well. Magnum diluted down 3-to-1. It's also great for cleaning up the wheel wells. It's good to wet the surface prior. The tire didn't look that dirty, but watch when Magnum gets sprayed on there. Look how quick it's starting to lift the dirt off the tire. We haven't even started scrubbing yet. We use a medium bristle brush when we scrub our tires. I'll put the links down below with the tools that we use to do the wheel and tire cleaning. I really like these soft bristle brushes. We can use this to not only apply blackout, which is our tire shine, but also cleaning wheel facings like this. It's very soft, it's not going to scratch the wheels. Then for the barrel of the wheel, we use the Auto Fiber slot brush. It's very nice, it's flat, and it just fits right in between the spokes. In a lot of cases, you might not even have to scrub your wheels or the tires. Magnum breaks down the dirt and grime by itself without scrubbing. But if you have a dirty tire, it's good to use the brushes. Watch when we rinse this off how much dirt just comes off the wheel and tire very easily. Sorry guys, the video clip I have of the engine, I did not get this vertical shot. But I had to show the difference in what this engine can do with Magnum on there. Now, when you're cleaning an engine, make sure the engine is cool to the touch. We've lightly dampened down the engine, spraying Magnum on there. Breaks down the grime really quick. Watch this. After it's all rinsed, removes all the grime off there, we would wait for this to dry and then apply blackout. That would really make the engine pop. You can see how quickly it removed all the grease and grime. Another great use for Magnum is truck beds. Spray Magnum down on the bed after you've dampened it a little bit. And what we just use a broom to scrub it with, help break up the grime really easily. So you can spray it out of a bottle like Anthony has done there with this bottle sprayer, or you can put in an IK foamer and get a lot more foaming action out of that even before you initially do the cleaning. rinse out. You can see all the grime and dirt coming off there. There's so many uses for Magnum. Being dilutable, it goes a long ways. Magnum comes in the gallon size, 16 and 32. Remember, can be diluted down 3 to 1, so a little of this goes a long ways. We do have 5 gallons available as well for the professionals who are doing wheel cleaning on a very, very regular basis. Comment down below if you've used Magnum and talk about your experience with that. If you have any questions on Magnum or any other Detail Studio products. Appreciate you coming on. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.